Morning, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. I wanted to do a brief video of this car that's come into stock. Now, this car is a special car. As far as the standard model lineup go within the Range Rover brand, this is what we would call the Halo car. So it's an Autobiography D350, so it's the newest twin turbo diesel engine straight six. This has absolutely everything on it. We're finished in the Eiger Grey. We've got the 360 cameras, we've got the black pack, which is giving you the upgrade to the 23-inch alloy wheels with the side Atlas vents and the black gloss bottom sill trim finishes. You've got a contrast roof in there. This car also has the solar retreating windscreen, which is going to keep the heat low in summer, but also keep it a bit warmer in winter for you as well. We've got the privacy glass on the car, so the air suspension is standard. It's a fully approved car, so that means it's going to come with at least a year's Land Rover warranty, which will include breakdown assistance and home start. If we just come round to the rear, we've again got the rear camera, which is standard. With this being Autobiography, you've got your split tailgate, but you also have seating here as well. So if we just pull this up, that goes onto there, and then you'll literally be able to sit on here, and there's a bit of a backrest for you as well. Again, standard on Autobiography, but with this being the Halo car, you would expect that. Coming around to the side, there's no marks, damage, scuffs or scrapes. You've got the keyless entry with the flush deployable handles and soft close doors on the car as well. I know I keep repeating myself, but Autobiography again, so you'll see we've got the powered sunblinds, which is on top of the privacy glass as well, which is giving a little bit of extra comfort and privacy in the car. You've got electric seats with memory function in the rear. It will do the recline and it will move the seat forward and back. You've also got your heated seats in the rear as well. Just going around to the front. Again, we've got the full semi-airline perforated leather, which has electric seats with memory function, and we've got a sliding panoramic roof on the car as well. I'll just go around to the front, but you will also notice that the car also benefits from a full Meridian signature sound system, which is at the top of the tree as far as any infotainment and sound systems concerned. So it is there is nothing better there within the Land Rover Range Rover product offering. Standard features again in the car: head-up display, heated steering wheel. Obviously on here, if you look on here, you've got all your Android Auto and your Apple CarPlay. As far as the seats are concerned, we have your heated and cooled seats and massaging seats for the front as well. Again, because it's Autobiography. I mentioned about the mileage on the car, 8,594 miles. So the car's done no miles for the year. And then we've got the nice convenience in there of the clear sight rear view mirror, so a standard mirror function, but if you pop that up, you've got an extra 15 degrees of viewing out the rear, and if there's passengers in the rear as well, it removes them because it's a live high definition feed from the rear of the car. So I know this is a brief description and we could go on for another 20 minutes with the specification on this car. It is very, very impressive. If you want to give us a call on this car, it is available and ready. It's 01642 644 444.